Hey everyone, it's Friday, April 3rd. We've made it through our first week of online learning. Woohoo! Today, what you need to do is first sign up for the discussion if you didn't do that already yesterday. So if you need to still do that, go to the Romeo and Juliet folder, and at the bottom, there's a sign up document there. It should open this. You guys have full editing rights to it. Please make sure that you are aware of what time you are signing up for on Tuesday, April 7th, so that you are available. I'll be sending out Meet invites. It's basically, we're going to do a video chat to do your discussion. So make sure that you are aware of what time so that you can check your email and get that invite so that we can do that and have your discussion. After you're done signing up for that, if you haven't already, then you need to do the discussion prep. That can also be found in your Romeo and Juliet folder right down here where it says Romeo and Juliet discussion questions. Don't turn it in yet. I'm going to have you guys turn in your discussion questions after we do the discussion, because if you turn it in and then you don't have access to the document anymore, and then you can't use it in your discussion. So don't turn it in yet, but do it so that it's done for Tuesday. Make sense? All right. Let me know if you have questions. Otherwise, have a great weekend. Thanks. Bye.